Welcome to this new video tutorial of the Rotary Character LL Premium Tire Changer. This product is equipped with a convenient side bead breaker blade that allows you to break the tire bead quickly and easily. Next, use the integrated wheel lift to help lift and position the wheel onto the central clamp. Use the quick clamping lock to lock the wheel into position. The Character LL Premium Tire Changer features an ergonomic button panel that allows you to position the roller discs and the tool with one hand. Next, use the pedal to turn the wheel during the greasing of the wheel's top bead. Then, using the ergonomic button panel again, raise the upper roller disc out of the way and position the lower roller disc to grease the bottom bead of the wheel. Again, you can use the pedal to turn the wheel during the greasing procedure. Next, use the ergonomic button panel again to lower the tool to grab the bead of the tire. Once the tool is properly positioned, rotate the wheel to remove the top bead. Then use the lower roller disc while rotating the wheel to completely remove the tire. Now let's move on to the wheel reassembly phase by bringing the tool down using the button panel. Then reposition the tire on the rim and rotate it to get the bottom bead on. Next, bring the upper roller disc down into its proper position. Take the bead pusher with towing device and place it on the rim to protect the air valve. Then rotate the wheel until the top bead is in place on the rim. Now remove the bead pusher with towing device and start inflating the wheel. Alternatively, you can use the WDK bead pressure device to help get the tire onto the rim. Once you're finished, you can use the wheel lift to bring the wheel down effortlessly. Remember, the central clamp has 3 possible positions. Also at your disposal is a convenient tool compartment. The Rotary Character LL Premium Tire Changer is an essential product for your workshop. For more information, visit us online.